All right, in this next drill, we're going to think about what we can do if we've forgotten to bring our trusty pulley system to keep you stationary. You've got a relatively small pool, so you can't be doing any decent arm work or strokes. We can focus on push off and a really subtle dolphin kick. And actually it's quite a good way to build up a heart rate, pace, keep some fitness up. And we're literally going to go from one side of the pool to the other underwater, take a breath each side, and possibly integrate 1 or 2 dolphin kicks there and there, depending on the size of the pool. So this works really well for small pools. Let's have a look. So if you're able to keep that up for around 5 minutes, I can guarantee you, if you're measuring your heart rate, you're going to get above 100, up to 120 beats per minute. It's clearly not as good as a longer open water swim or in a decent pool, but in a small pool like this, it's ideal.